Homemade clotted cream is a rich, indulgent spread that's perfect for serving with scones, jam, and tea. Traditionally associated with English cream teas, it's surprisingly easy to make at home. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients. 2 cups, 480 milliliters, of heavy cream, ideally, unpasteurized if available. A shallow dish or a wide-mouthed oven-safe container. Cheesecloth or a clean kitchen towel. A pinch of salt, optional. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Set your oven to a low temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. Pour the cream. Pour the heavy cream into the shallow dish or container. If you're using raw, unpasteurized cream, this is where the magic happens, as the cream naturally clots due to the high fat content. Bake the cream. Place the dish in the oven and let it sit for a long time. This is typically at least 8 to 12 hours, but it could take up to 24 hours, depending on the cream's fat content and the specific conditions in your oven. The cream should be left undisturbed during this time. Check the cream. After several hours, check the cream. It should have developed a golden crust on top, which is the clot. The cream underneath should be thickened but still soft. Cool and refrigerate. Remove the dish from the oven and let it cool to room temperature. Then, cover it and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or until it's well chilled. Separate the clot. Once chilled, carefully scoop off the clotted cream from the top. If there is a layer of whey, a watery liquid, underneath, it can be discarded. Optional. Add salt. If desired, add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Mix it gently into the clotted cream. Store and serve. Store your clotted cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It can be kept for up to 5-7 days. Serve your homemade clotted cream with warm scones, jam, and a pot of tea for a delightful afternoon treat. Note. If you're unable to get unpasteurized cream, you can still make clotted cream with pasteurized cream, but the results may not be as thick or rich. Some people prefer using a bain-marie, a water bath, instead of the oven. This involves placing the cream in a covered, heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water for the same amount of time. The principle is similar, but the risk of overcooking is lower. Keep in mind that clotted cream is very rich, so a little goes a long way.